Hi everyone, it's Imran from Car Sound Security here. We've just secured a Toyota Prius Plus on a 2018 plate from the dreaded Catalytic converter thieves. So what we've done is put an alarm system on it with a sensor, so if it's lifted up via a jack to access the catalytic converter, the alarm system will go off. So let me just demonstrate that to you. So here we go. Just jacking up the vehicle. And there you go. Alarm's going off because the vehicle's being lifted. And that's what's going to prevent your catalytic converter from being stolen. If you're interested in getting this done, feel free to give us a call on the number below. Thanks for watching.